All right, so what can we do on example 7? Gentlemen?
Do we put an E there because there's supposed to be an E there?
Do we do what?
Put an E there because there's supposed to be one?
You can, but I'm not going to yet anyways.
Okay.
But what's going on in the brackets there? Remember, brackets are like parentheses, just means we have other parentheses in it.
That's being subtracted.
Well, they're being divided, which means I can subtract. So we're going to have natural log. I'm going to put the top in parentheses. Minus natural log of the bottom. So let's look at the first term. What can I do to that? What's going on inside those parentheses? Yeah, multiplied. It's x to the 4th times that radical. So how can I separate it if they're being multiplied? So it's the natural log of x to the 4th plus the natural log of the square root.
I thought this is pretty easy. It just takes a while.
I feel like I can easily mix it.
True.
Minus what's going on over here in the parenthesis? They're being multiplied. Now remember, we're subtracting everything at the back, so I'm going to have to use a parenthesis. And I can separate those by adding them. So minus natural log of the first plus natural log of the second. Okay, question was, why are we using the parenthesis? Because we're subtracting this natural log there, and it gave us both of these when we expanded it. Okay, so we're subtracting everything. So when you have a minus sign, go ahead and just open a parenthesis and subtract everything behind it, and then you can distribute the minus to get rid of it.
I need to catch up. I have to write the last.
So let's do that. Let's go ahead and just distribute the minus so that we don't have that extra parenthesis there to throw us. So if you wanted to do other stuff here, you could, but I'm not going to. Guys, I'm going to distribute, so it's minus the natural log of x plus 3 to the 5th. And then minus the natural log of x minus 1. Okay, yeah, I forgot the square underneath the radical. I just put an x plus 3, but it should be x squared. All right, so what can I do to the first term? Yeah, bungee the 4 in front of its log. So 4 times the natural log of x. Plus, what about the second term? Yeah, change that radical, right? So the natural log of the x squared plus 3 inside, and it's going to be raised to the 1 over 2. Good. Minus, can I do anything to the third term?
You can move you can bungee the 5.
I can bungee the 5 in front of the log. Oops, I said that and then I didn't write it. Minus, what about this last term? Can I do anything?
No, because they start together.
Nope, so just leave it together. All right?
Bungee.
Yeah, y'all see we can still do something, right? Can I do anything to this first term? No.
This is extremely long.
Plus, what can I do to the second term? Yeah, bungee the 1/2 in front of its log.
Is it like a math term? Bungee?
No.
Oh. I was just like,
Can I do anything to the third term?
I don't know if they start together.
And you already told me we couldn't do anything to the last one, so I'm just going to bring it down. Now, we only did anything to one term, so I need to go back and double check it, make sure I can't do anything else to it. Can I do anything else to that second term there? No, so then this is my answer. I didn't do anything to the others, so I shouldn't be able to do anything to them. I just have to check the ones that I did something to.
I didn't know if you could